Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue where Blue Yeti microphone is not working, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Right click on the start button, go to settings. Now go to system, go to sound. Make sure that the absolute correct microphones are selected for input. It shouldn't be the incorrect one, it should be the correct microphone, okay? Then click on this forward pointing arrow and you can also run a test. So click on start test and wait till it's recorded and then click on stop test and check the volume. And if the volume isn't up to the mark, then you can also consider changing the settings a little bit. Okay. The next one is to search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list of audio inputs and outputs, find the microphone and update its drivers. The next one is to run the audio troubleshooter. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then you can go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down, select troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.